Hello students, in the previous class we were discussing some problems based on determinants. Today we shall discuss some more problems based on determinants. Let us see. First one, show that a plus b plus 2c, a b c, b plus c plus 2a, b c a, c plus a plus 2b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube. This is what you have. Now a plus b plus 2c ab, this is what is the question. Now let us consider a plus b plus 2c, a b c, b plus c plus 2a, b c a, c plus a plus 2b. This is what you have. Now what you have to do is, in order to get a plus 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube, let us do c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then what do you get? You get 2a plus 2b plus 2c, a, b, 2a plus 2b plus 2c, b plus c plus 2a, b, 2a plus 2b plus 2c, a, c plus a plus 2b. This is what you get. Here the first column is changing to c1 plus c2 plus c3. We are adding all these three columns. Let us take 2 into a plus b plus c common. What do you have? 1ab, 1b plus c plus 2a, b, 1a, c plus a plus 2b. This is what you have. Next I shall do R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So that will be nothing but 2 into a plus b plus c. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. That is first row will be as it is, 1ab. From second row, 1 minus 1, that will give us 0. b plus c plus 2a minus a will give us b plus c plus a. b minus b will give us 0. So this is 0, b plus c plus a, 0. Next, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Here you get 0, 0, c plus a plus b. 0, 0, c plus a plus b. This is what you have. Now let us take the determinant of the remaining terms, 2 into a plus b plus c. Consider this as plus minus plus. So that is 1 into b plus c plus a into c plus a plus b minus 0. Close this column, close this row. This into this minus 0 minus a into, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 plus b into, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0. This is what you have. So this is nothing but 2 into a plus b plus c, b plus c plus a into c plus a plus b, that is a plus b plus c whole square. So this into this is nothing but 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube. It is equal to RHS. Hence proved. That is about this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Next problem. Show that determinant of a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube is equal to abc into a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. This is what you have to show. Now consider LHS. LHS, what do you have on LHS? Determinant of a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. Now this is same as from the first column I will take a common, from the second column I will take b common, and from the third column I will take c common. So what do you get? A, b, c into 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a square, b square, c square. This is what you get. Now after this, c1 changes to c1 minus c2, c2 changes to c2 minus c3. We will perform these operations, then we will see what do we get. Get ABC into 1 minus 1, 0, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 1, 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Here you have 1c, c square. Okay, this is ABC 0, 0, 1, a minus b, b minus c, c, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is b plus c into b minus c and c square. Now this is a, b, c. From first column we will take a minus b common. From the second column we will take b minus c common. So what do you have? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, c, a plus b, b plus c, c square. This is what you have. Now let us take the determinant of this matrix. How to take determinant? Plus, minus, plus. This is ABC into a minus b, b minus c. These two will become 0, plus 0 into c square minus c into b plus c, minus 0 into c square minus c into a plus b, plus 1 into b plus c minus a plus b. This is what you have. So these two become 0. You have ABC a minus b into b minus c, 0, 0, b plus c minus a minus b, plus b minus b cancel. So you have as ABC a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. This is what you have. This is nothing but that is equal to RHS. Let us discuss the next problem. Third problem for today's class. Show that, ST stands for show that, determinant of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C is equal to 0. You have to show that determinant of this is 0. How to show? Let us consider LHS. LHS, what do you have on LHS? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. Here C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So that is nothing but A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B, C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C, B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, A minus B, B minus C. So this is nothing but plus A minus A gets cancelled, plus B minus B gets cancelled, plus C minus C gets cancelled. Here also plus B minus B minus C plus A minus A gets cancelled, plus C minus C plus minus A minus B plus B gets cancelled. So you have 0 0 0, B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, A minus B, B minus C. This is what you have. Now let us take the determinant. This is plus minus plus. How to take the determinant? 0 into C minus A into B minus C minus A minus B into A minus B. This is first one. Close this column, close this row. C minus A into B minus C minus A minus B into A minus B. 0 into this plus minus B minus C into, close this column, close this row, 0 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus C minus A, close this column, close this row, you have 0 minus 0, that is 0 minus 0. So here you have 0 minus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C is equal to 0. This is what you have. Let us discuss the next problem. Fourth one, show that XAA, AXA, AAX is equal to x plus 2a into x minus a whole square. From LHS you need to prove RHS. You see here, consider LHS. What do you have on LHS? XAA AXA, AAX. So what we are going to do is C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So that is nothing but x plus 2a, x plus 2a, x plus 2a, AA, XA, AX. So take x plus 2a out, x plus 2a into 1AA, 1XA, 1AX. Here. Next is R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So that is x plus 2a into 1AA, 0 x minus a 0, 0 x minus a 0, 0 0 x minus a, 0 0 x minus a. Let us take the determinant of this. For this you need to put plus minus plus, same as x plus 2a, 1 into x minus a whole square minus a into 0 minus 0. Close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0 plus a into, close this column, close this row, you get 0 minus 0. So this is x plus 2a into x minus a whole square. That's about this problem, children. That's all for today's class. We shall discuss in the next class.